Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of being here, you're highly welcome. My name is Jessica Rema, and to my old subscribers I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for your love and support. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys on how I made this simple but delicious spaghetti and meatballs. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Stay tuned as we'll be taking it step by step. First of all, I will start by preparing the meatballs, and here I've got half cup of breadcrumbs. Into it I'll be adding a quarter cup of water. I'll give this a stir and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, it has absorbed the whole water and this is what it looks like. Into a mixing bowl, I'll add 500 grams of minced beef and the breadcrumbs I prepared earlier on. Into it, I'll add salt, black pepper, chopped onions, ginger and garlic paste. This is about 1 teaspoon each. 1 egg, 1 large egg. Quarter cup chopped parsley leaves. And seasoning. So using my clean hand, I will mix everything together. I will mix it until everything in there is very well combined. The full list of the ingredients are stated in the description box. So at this point, I'm done mixing everything together. I will cover it and let it sit in the fridge for 15 minutes. This helps the meatballs to hold together after molding it. So it's very important you let it sit in the fridge for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now I will prepare the pan because I will be baking these meatballs. You can as well fry meatballs, but in today's recipe I will be baking it. So I'll grease my pan with butter. You can as well grease it with oil, but I prefer greasing it with butter, and I'll set it aside. So after it has stayed in the fridge for 15 minutes, it's ready, and I will just grease my hands with clean water and I will start molding it. This prevents it from sticking to my hands. So this is the way I'll mold it. You can mold this into any size of your choice. Using this spoon to scoop it is a kind of measuring it. This helps me to achieve a uniform size after molding. I will repeat the same process until I am done molding all of them. So this is the meatballs after I've molded it. I'll put this in the oven and allow it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now after about 20 minutes in the oven, I will just turn it over and set it back in the oven to grill for another 10 minutes, and it's ready. Now on the other hand, I'll put the spaghetti to a boil. I will cook this until it's almost done. So at this point, I'll pour it out into a sieve and allow the water to strain. Now into a clean pot, I've added some oil. Into it, I'll add my chopped onion. I will fry this until it's brown. So once the onion has fried, I will add garlic, chopped garlic, and the tomatoes. I'll give this a proper stir. And into it, I'll be adding some salt, bay leaves. Now at this point, I'll be introducing the meatballs. Once I add the meatballs, I'll give it a proper stir. And finally, I'll be adding some seasonings. I'll cover this to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. So after it has cooked for about 5 minutes, now I will add ginger paste and chopped Scotch bonnet. Finally, I'll be adding a 1/4 cup of parsley leaves. I'll give this a stir and add the boiled spaghetti. So once I add the spaghetti, I'll give it a continuous stir until the spaghetti and the sauce are very well combined with each other. At this point, you should be cooking on a very low heat. Give this a continuous gentle stir until the spaghetti has absorbed all the tomato sauce. Then it's ready to be served. So guys, this is the outcome of the spaghetti and meatball recipe. This is just perfect and yummy. We have come to the end of today's recipe, and I'll be serving myself as usual. This is just so yummy and appetizing that I cannot wait. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching till the end. Please don't forget to keep your comments in the comment section below. Like and share with family and friends. If you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on that red button that says subscribe, and the golden bell will pop out beside it. Click on that golden bell and select all, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So to crown it all, I'll be adding some cheese. This is totally optional, but guys, this is very delicious. Just add some cheese, sprinkle some cheese on your warm spaghetti, and this will take the taste to another level. Try it and you will like it. Thank you so much and remain blessed. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.